I've been doing some milling with it. I've milled up 2 logs already and haven't resharpened the chain, but I figure I'll show you starting on this little log. It's about 10 inches in diameter, so let's get started. Alright, let's go take a look at it. Oh, I'm standing in the shadow. Hold on. I'm shadowing it. I have no clue if you're even going to be able to see this. It's crazy bright outside. So, let me set you back up and we'll do the other side of it. Should be good to go. Make sure the camera's still on. Camera's still recording. Okay. Hopefully we won't. What? Richard's up. Camera's on. Okay. It is hot out here. I'll show you. Got that bit done. Now I guess I'll put it in. I'll take another slab down at a certain height and I'll get. Alright, I've got what I want made. I'm going to make one more of these out of another of my curved logs. But it's just a ramp leading up to my little platform. That way I can saw it waist height. It's more comfortable. I'll show you some of the boards I cut today. Let me actually sit this down for a second. Okay. So, in today's cutting, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1 by 5 by 8 foot. We got 8 of them. Pretty nice. They're the good ones, the usable ones. And we got 2 1 by 5 by 8 foot that just aren't usable because they have too many bark beetles. They're only usable for like a construction application. There's the other one. Here's the other one of them. Then we got 1 3/4 piece, which also not usable because of bark beetles. Yesterday I sawed 8 1 by 8s. I've got all of them in here. And I'm going to go in because it's about 90 degrees and humid.